we are going to talk about another one of my father's tools that he passed down to me.
So, this is my dad's Stanley Tool Chest that we talked about. And I talked about how I've used the eggbeater drill, the brace, and all the tools. But that's not what we're going to talk about. My dad also had a Cummins Fixmaster kit. And it had a 1/4-inch drill with the smallest key I've ever seen. So I never used this. So it was an interesting thing, but it's a really small chuck. So it was a Fixmaster. It came with this multiple sanding package. Came with a Cummins buff, which would fit on this. But the unique thing is it came with this. It's a 4-inch circular saw attachment for a 1/4-inch drill. So here's the saw blade. And so I never used either of these. But in the paper, I found this newspaper, which it was packed in, is from 1952. So that's the Cummins operating instructions. For the drill. And then the saw attachment. Sanding, polishing, wire brush, buffing. The unique thing is it comes with a stand. So, here and here and here, you could use that, or that. So
The Cummins Fixmaster had a lot of options and accessories available for the home handyman. The circular saw attachment is the most intriguing. If you look at the back of the directions, you can see that they recommend it for both a portable handsaw and as a benchtops power saw. The benchtop with the small table makes me a little nervous. This 1952 vintage tool is very interesting. I hope you enjoyed this walk through history. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and ring the bell. I appreciate you watching the Johnsonville Woodworker.